Hello viewers, good morning. I'm Mr. Maxwell by name. I will be teaching chemistry based on EduPoint advert. This morning we're looking at mass-volume relationship. Mass-volume relationship, there are three major formulas I need to understand under mass-volume relationship. The first one is what's called amount, which gives us mass, which is in gram, and molar mass in gram per mole. We have concentration or molarity, which unit is unit is mole per dm cube, and the amount we have mole as each unit and volume as each unit as well in dm cube. We have mass concentration, which is known as molar mass times molarity. Molarity is also known as what? Concentration. And the formula for the unit for molar mass is gram per dm cube, and for molarity you have mole per dm cube. Now looking at a little conversion. We have conversions here based on volumes. We have 1 dm cube to give us 1000 cm cube, then 1 liter to give us 1000 cm cube as well, then 1 cm cube to give us 1 mil, and 1 dm cube to give us 1 liter. Now what it simply means is that when you have 1 dm cube, which is equivalent to what? 1000 cm cube, 1 liter is equivalent to 1 dm cube. That simply means that if I say I have 5 dm cube of water, I can equally say I have 5 liters of water. So we have a simple question this morning to look into. And the question is, what is the concentration of sodium hydroxide when 10 grams of the compound is dissolved in 5000 cm cube of water? Now we have sodium 23. These are what we call atomic masses. Sodium is 23, oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1. So first of all, let's bring out our variables and see how we can get our concentration. Now we have a compound which is known as sodium hydroxide. That is the first one, sodium hydroxide. Then secondly, they gave us mass. Our mass is 10 grams. They gave us volume as well. We have volume to give us 5000 cm cube. So next thing we need to do now, let's get our molar mass, right? Applying this formula, our molar mass will give us, we want to have sodium, which is equals to 23, plus oxygen, which is equals to 16, plus hydrogen equals to what? 1. That will give us 23 plus 16 plus 1. That will give us 40 grams per mole. Since we have gotten the molar mass, then let's find our amount. Now if you look at critically, we have amount equals to mass over molar mass, and in this formula we also have concentration equals to amount over volume. Now one thing is consistent here. We have amount here, we have amount here. What it simply means that for us to get any of these variables, we must consider amount because they have amount in common. Now coming down to this, now let's find our amount. Our amount, which will give us amount equals to mass over molar mass. Molar mass will give us, our mass is already 10 grams all over 40 grams per mole, which is the molar mass. Then we have gram cancel gram, then 40 into 10, that will give us 0.25 mole of sodium hydroxide. Now this is the mole of sodium hydroxide. It's gotten already, but the question is, what is the concentration? Now looking at the concentration, now we have the concentration formula as concentration giving us amount all over volume. Remember, volume is in dm cube. Now if you check that volume that was given in the question, they gave us 5000 cm cube of water. What it simply means is this: you have to convert this to dm cube because dm cube is the standard volume used, the standard volume unit used here. You want to have 1 dm cube to give us 1000 cm cube based on our conversion. Then 5000 cm cube will give us x. So if you cross multiply, you want to have x 1000 cm cube to give us 1 dm cube times 5000 cm cube. We also have 1000 cm cube. 1000 cm cube. So we'll have this cancel this cancel this here. So our x will give us 5 dm what cube. Since we have this now, then we have our concentration to give us our amount over what? Volume. Since we already gotten our amount in the first question that we solved, we want to have our concentration now to give us, our amount was 0.25 moles and our volume is what? 5 dm cube. What simply means that our concentration now will give us 0.05 mole per dm cube. So when 10 grams of sodium hydroxide was dissolved into 5000 cm cube of water, we discovered that the concentration of that solution will give us 0.05 mole per dm cube.